Welcome back to the Grand Motorhome. Today, we're diving into something truly next level, a motorhome that might just redefine what luxury on wheels really means. The question is, could this be the most luxurious RV ever created? Meet Cadillac's 2026 Motorhome, a machine so advanced and so refined, it almost feels unreal. Inspired by the bold innovation and premium craftsmanship of Cadillac, this futuristic motorhome takes everything we love about high-end vehicles and transforms it into a full-scale luxury living experience. From the very first glance, the exterior makes a powerful statement. Cadillac's signature sharp design language is instantly recognizable, with a sleek illuminated grille, ultra-slim vertical LED headlights, and clean, aerodynamic body lines. The entire motorhome looks like it belongs in the future, combining elegance with a strong, commanding presence. Massive panoramic windows wrap around the vehicle, giving it a modern, open feel while allowing natural light to flood the interior. Integrated LED lighting, hidden storage compartments, and a seamless exterior finish make this motorhome look as premium as it feels. But once you step inside, everything changes. The interior of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome feels like stepping into a luxury penthouse suite. The main lounge is designed with ultra-premium leather seating, high-end materials, and a clean, modern layout that reflects Cadillac's signature style. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a relaxing and sophisticated atmosphere. At the center of the lounge is a massive curved OLED display, paired with a next-generation surround sound system that transforms the space into a private theater. Whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests, this area adapts effortlessly to your needs. The kitchen area continues the luxury experience with a sleek and modern design. Marble-style countertops, a smart induction cooktop, built-in oven, full-size refrigerator, and a premium coffee system make it feel like a high-end apartment kitchen. Hidden storage keeps everything organized while maintaining a clean aesthetic. Moving toward the rear, the master suite offers a private escape from the outside world. A king-size bed with smart climate control ensures maximum comfort, while soft lighting and elegant materials create a peaceful environment. Large windows provide stunning views, making every destination feel even more special. Right beside the bedroom is a spa-inspired bathroom that rivals five-star hotels. A rainfall shower, heated floors, modern vanity, and illuminated mirrors create a luxurious and relaxing space designed for ultimate comfort. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. The entire cabin is powered by an advanced smart system that controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and security. Voice commands and touchscreen panels make it easy to manage every feature. The motorhome also includes high-speed connectivity, allowing you to work, stream, and stay connected from anywhere. Under the hood, Cadillac is expected to bring its electric innovation into play. The 2026 motorhome could feature a fully electric drivetrain, delivering smooth acceleration, near-silent performance, and impressive efficiency. Combined with advanced suspension systems, the ride feels incredibly smooth, almost like gliding on air. Safety and driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision prevention, and intelligent parking systems, making this large vehicle surprisingly easy to handle. So is this the most luxurious RV ever? With its combination of futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and ultra-premium comfort, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome certainly makes a strong case. This isn't just an RV. It's a luxury experience on wheels, a mobile penthouse, a glimpse into the future of travel. Thanks for being part of the Grand Motorhome family. If you enjoyed this incredible tour, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more next-level luxury motorhome content. See you in the next video.